So welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys how can we change guys button navigation style guys. This three button navigation style guys you want to change in your Realme phone. So then how can you change in this video I will show you guys. So once you can see now we back from this right side. But guys we want to change your back button to here. So how can you change? So first of all guys we will on phone setting and guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see phone system setting guys. Tap here, guys. Click on system navigation. As you can see your button layout. So friends, you want to change, you can change from here, guys. You can this is tap here to change. So friends, you can see we can back from this left side. So as your button layout will change in your Realme phone. So like that, guys. You want to change your three button layout, so you can change in your Realme phone. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye, friends. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.